Everyone, today we're going to talk about something that often gets overlooked: easy ways of keeping your red dot lenses clean. And this method will work whether it's red dots, scopes, your glasses, or even the iPhone that I'm filming this on. So we have two red dot lens cleaning pens here. One's a standard and one's a premium. I'm going to start with the features, and the first feature I want to point out is the soft bristles. So the bristles are great for getting rid of anything on the surface of the lens, such as dust and dirt. For concealed carry optics, we definitely see like a lot of lint, maybe like hair. And this just gets rid of anything on the surface before we use the carbon tip. Now, an advantage that the premium lens pen has over the standard is that the premium comes with a cap that protects the bristles. And from experience, when you throw this into your range bag, I typically have a lot of stuff in here, and I have found that stuff did gunk up the bristles when they didn't have a cap. Now onto the carbon tip. Both pens have a carbon cleaning tip, which is key for removing smudges, fingerprints, and oils from your lens. I'm gonna smudge this up and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work for both pen systems. Basically, you get the carbon tip and you start dabbing it on the lens, and it's absorbing the fingerprints and oils and smudges. Then we're gonna get the bristles and we're just gonna cover it again. All right, and when you're done with that, you should have a nice clean lens. If you still see smudges, obviously get the carbon tip and start doing the exact same process 2 or 3 times. Now, obviously you could use like a microfiber cloth on the lens as well, and that does clean it. That's why the red dots come with it. But honestly, let's be real. They're super easy to lose, and once they get dirty, they're not as effective. I lose these things all the time. So instead of getting yet another cleaning cloth, the lens cleaning pens are compact, they're reliable, and you can keep them handy wherever you go. You don't have to worry about them getting dirty because it's protected by the cap. And if you have an open emitter, it gets right onto the back of the lens very easily. All right, so I'm just going to cover the differences between these two pens. Obviously, we covered the first difference, which the bristle on the premium has a cap to protect it. Next, we're going to talk about the body. So on the premium one, it has more of a matte finish, whereas the standard one is just a normal plastic finish. The premium one also has a metal button. The button on the system for the standard is just plastic. In my opinion, the metal one has a more nice slidey feel to it, if that makes sense. And lastly, this probably isn't big for a lot of people, but as a dealer, I like it. The premium pen has a more premium package, so everything stays nice and secure. Now, these are roughly the same price. If you're just buying it on freedomgorilla.com, this will be $2 more. But if you buy literally anything else, you have the option to get this at a discount for only $8. So if you're serious about keeping your red dots, scopes, glasses, literally anything with the lens clean, get either one at freedomgorilla.com.